Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. In this video, I'm going to show you Odelfi Striplamp Pro LED headlamp. It comes with your USB power cable and your headlamp, which is fully bendable. This is your LED strip, which has a beam angle of 230 degrees. It is nice and bright, great for working under the hood of the car. It has 5 light modes. Here is your power button. Press it once. You have your LED strip lamp at 350 lumens, 100% brightness, with battery lifetime of 2.5 hours. Press it a second time. Your light strip is at 150 lumens, 40% brightness, with a battery lifetime of 5 hours. Press it another time. You have your flashlight, which is at 150 lumens at 100%, with a battery lifetime of 4 hours. Press it a second time. You have your flashlight at 60 lumens, 40% brightness, with a battery lifetime of 8 hours. To activate your strobe feature, you want to hold your power button a few seconds. Both your flashlight and your LED strip will start strobing. This here is your motion sensor button, and here is your motion sensor. To activate, you want to turn on your light and then turn on your motion sensor, which this light will turn green if it's activated. Now it's green. Off, on, off, on. It has a built-in rechargeable battery at 1200 milliamps. Your input port is a USB-C. Your total charging time is 2.5 hours. The headband is made of silicone with adjustable elastic and some foam padding for your forehead. It weighs 2.47 ounces. Very portable and comfortable to wear. IPX4 waterproof for your daily outdoor use on a rainy day. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Here's my engine bay in the dark. You can see I'm wearing the headlamp. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the strip at 100%. And that's how the engine looks like. I'm going to flip it on and switch it to flashlight. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.